Imagine exploring the world while your content earns for you on autopilot. That's exactly what I built, a content machine that keeps growing while I travel. In this video, I'll break down the tools, systems, and workflows that make it possible. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more income strategies that work from anywhere. Let's get started. 1. Picked a profitable niche. I started by choosing a niche that people search for and spend money on every single day. I made sure it matched my interests so I could stay motivated while creating consistent content. I studied top creators in that niche to see what topics, angles, and formats were doing well. The niche needed recurring interest topics that people search monthly, not just temporarily. I used keyword tools to find demand topics with volume but less competition were the goal. This helped ensure my channel had monetization potential and long-term sustainability. Once I picked my niche, I stuck with it to build authority and attract a consistent audience. Switching niches too soon can confuse viewers and kill channel momentum early on. 2. Designed a repeatable format. I created a content format I could repeat every week without needing new creative decisions. My videos followed a familiar structure: hook, intro, body, call to action, and summary. This made scripting and editing predictable, reducing the time needed to produce each video. Having a consistent format helped my editor work faster and viewers stay engaged longer. Audiences love familiarity. Repetition builds comfort and trust with returning subscribers. I created templates for my thumbnails, descriptions, and titles to speed up the workflow. Every new video became easier to produce because the structure never changed drastically. It allowed me to focus more on research and delivery, not reinventing the wheel weekly. 3. Batched content in advance. I blocked out time once per month to write, record, and edit multiple videos in one go. Batching saved energy because switching between tasks constantly slows down productivity. I would script 5 to 10 videos in a few days and film them all on a single weekend. This freed up the rest of my month to travel, rest, or manage other parts of my business. Batching allowed me to stay ahead, so I never felt pressure to rush out last-minute uploads. It also gave my team time to edit, revise, and schedule everything without missing deadlines. This approach made my content machine feel smooth and stress-free even during travel. My creativity increased with batching because I stayed in flow for longer periods of time. 4. Used automation tools. I set up tools like scheduling apps, autoresponders, and workflow platforms to automate tasks. I scheduled my YouTube videos, emails, and social posts weeks in advance with one dashboard. Email automation sent lead magnets, course offers, and weekly tips without my daily input. I used tools to convert one video into multiple formats: blog posts, shorts, and carousels. Zapier and similar apps connected my platforms to sync actions and data automatically. Analytics dashboards showed performance data so I could adjust without manual tracking. My CRM handled customer replies and purchase flows with smart follow-up messages. I used Notion to organize content ideas, upload calendars, and video production timelines. 5. Built a content team. Once revenue started coming in, I reinvested into hiring a small but skilled content team. I hired a video editor first to handle post-production and free up hours from each video. Next, I brought on a scriptwriter to help organize my thoughts into clear and engaging scripts. A virtual assistant managed publishing, thumbnails, keyword research, and email replies. Each role was trained using recorded tutorials and checklists to ensure consistent quality. I gave feedback weekly to help my team improve and align with my brand and tone. Having a team turned my content from a solo hustle into a scalable, streamlined operation. Delegating allowed me to focus on travel, strategy, and business growth, not tiny tasks. It also created backup if someone was sick or delayed, others could step in and help. 6. Repurposed every video. One video turned into many pieces: shorts, reels, carousels, blog posts, and even audio clips. I used video snippets for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to expand my audience reach. Each format had unique hooks but reused the same core message, keeping my message focused. Repurposing saved time, increased views, and made the most of every piece of content I made. I followed a clear system: full video, then short clips, then carousel quotes, then blog article. One well-made script gave me content for a full week across multiple growing platforms. I used scheduling tools to post everything at peak times without manual publishing effort. This multi-platform approach built recognition and brought new subscribers to my channel. Even while traveling, my content kept showing up daily across all the right digital spaces. 7. Monetized smartly. I layered monetization so that every video had multiple income opportunities built in. I added affiliate links to gear, tools, and software I already used and recommended naturally. I created digital products cheat sheets, templates, and courses aligned with each video. Email opt-ins grew my list, which led to offers and weekly value sent automatically. I partnered with brands for sponsorships, but only if they matched my content and mission. Every video had a call to action: download, subscribe, or click a monetized resource link. This made even older videos profitable because links continued to earn while I traveled. I tracked what offers converted best and doubled down on them in future uploads. No single stream made me rich, but combined, they created reliable, growing income. 8. Scheduled everything. I used tools to queue content weeks ahead across YouTube, Instagram, email, and other places. Planning ahead reduced daily stress and let me enjoy travel without worrying about deadlines. Every Monday, I scheduled social clips, email campaigns, and video posts in one sitting. I used templates for titles, tags, and captions to speed up the scheduling process. This meant my content dropped at ideal times even when I was sleeping or on a plane. Viewers saw consistency, and the algorithm rewarded regular posting with better visibility. Scheduling gave my team clarity; they always knew what was going out and when it would post. Each platform's calendar was color-coded and synced with reminders for collaborations. We could plan launches, offers, and giveaways without chaos or last-minute scrambles. 9. Optimized for search. I used keyword research to make sure my content showed up when people searched for answers. Each title, description, and tag used phrases real people typed into YouTube and Google. I optimized thumbnails to grab attention: bold fonts, bright colors, and curiosity hooks. Every script started with a searchable question or phrase to match the viewer's intent. I avoided random topics and focused on clusters of related content to build authority. Playlists grouped videos by theme, boosting watch time and increasing session duration. I reviewed analytics weekly to see what keywords drove traffic and doubled down on those. Each video included captions, SEO-rich descriptions, and timestamps to improve discovery. The better my SEO, the more my content worked on its own even while I was offline. Good optimization made content timeless. Videos from months ago still brought daily views. Ranking in search gave me reliable exposure without spending a dollar on ads or promotion. Search optimization turned my content machine into a discovery engine on autopilot. 10. Built a scalable system. I documented every step of my workflow into guides, templates, and video training modules. Each part of content creation from idea to upload was mapped out in a clear, repeatable system. I could hand off tasks to others or automate them without quality dropping or confusion rising. This system was like a factory: inputs in, content out, with results that stayed consistent. I stored everything in Notion and Google Drive so I could access it from anywhere globally. New team members onboarded fast because all the instructions were already written and clear. I constantly refined the process to remove bottlenecks, errors, and unnecessary friction. This system gave me freedom because it functioned without my presence or constant input. Building a content machine gave me freedom and consistency, and you can do the same with the right systems. What part will you try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more faceless content tips, automation tools, and location-free income strategies. Stay tuned for more ways to scale smarter.